Hi again. In this video, I'm going to show how to add a resource. It is the same concept as adding an activity. I will go to my courses, 20, teachers practice area. And 28. On 28, turn everything on. It gives me the tab to add an activity or resource. I scroll down this menu where you see resources, and let's try URL. Yes. The URL module enables a teacher to provide a web link as a course resource. Images, documents, images can be linked to the URL. Does not have to be the home page of a website. So let's try. Let's explore. Go ahead, more help. And there is a video which will help us. Close, add, name, or family, require link, choose link. Okay. Well, it says what I did. That's what you choose. For 6 videos. But what I will do is copy this link here. And place it here. And then display description on course page. Appearance, new window. Alright. New window, give it size, the URL variables, parameters. But we will not interfere with those things or change the values at this point in time. Save and display. Let's see what comes up. If I click on this, right click, new tab, yeah, cool. I have a description of the family from the Encyclopedia Britannica. And I notice one of my activities. So if I wanted to return or go back, I can click. Cool. There's my family. if I wanted to edit, what is editing about? Okay, editing would take me back into the topic area. Back, code administration, URL, module administration. Okay, and that's it. And I go back to my home page. And that's it.